Navigate towards greener waters in Slovenia, a land of fantastic business opportunities, where socially responsible companies, such as Port of Koper, are providing optimal logistics solutions for businesses and the environment. As one of the most important container and automotive ports in the region, Port of Koper lies at the intersection of European transport corridors. It represents the shortest sea connection between Central Eastern Europe, the Mediterranean and the Far East. It is also well connected by a railway network, which supports 60% of the total throughput still transported by train. Today, Port of Koper is a multi-purpose port with reliable services and people who are deeply committed to preserving the natural and social habitat. In line with its environmentally friendly policy, it regularly monitors its dust and noise emissions, as well as light pollution, in order to safeguard the sea, manage waste, and regulate its energy use.
In 2000, Port of Koper was one of the first European and the only Mediterranean port to establish an environmental management system. It applies to all port activities, and we are constantly building upon it. Our commitment to sustainable development has ensured that future progress will be friendly to the surrounding residents, the natural environment, and our employees.
At present, Port of Koper also nurtures more than 300 olive trees on their grounds, making olives a symbol of their green consciousness and the care they invest into the environment. With sustainable goals, such as becoming the green entry point to Central and Eastern Europe, Port of Koper is keeping the balance between the demands of the economy, society, and nature in the pursuit of a better future for us all. By being green, creative, and smart, Port of Koper is an example of the eco-active Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Find your green compass in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.